our wedding, January 1st, 2022, to my Matthew. I never dreamed the goofy blonde would become the person to whom I would pass through life side by side, and the second self, and my earthly companion. As the time has given us a past and a present, but it is also offering us a future. In the name of God, I, Matthew, take you, Olivia,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
In the name of God, I, Olivia, take you, Matthew,
To be my husband.
to be my husband,
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold
From this day forward.
from this day forward.
For better, for worse.
for better, for worse,
For richer, for poorer.
for richer, for poor,
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish
Until we are parted by
until
death.
we are parted by death.
Dearly beloved, we've come together in the presence of God to witness and bless the joining together of this man and this woman in holy matrimony. The union of husband and wife in heart, body, and mind is intended by God for their mutual joy. Therefore, marriage is not to be entered into unadvisedly or lightly, but reverently, deliberately, and in accordance with the purposes for which it was instituted by God. Matthew and Olivia have some incredible friends. If you know them at all or their family, they just have some amazing, amazing friends who over and over again express their love to Matthew and Olivia.
But we could go on, be loved by the end of the night, sitting here talking, kissing your lips and I'm coming alive. But we can start falling, make a list of ways that the time just isn't right. Or we could go on, yeah, we can be loved by the end of the night, by the end of the night.
I pronounce it Olivia and Matthew, if they are husband and wife, Matthew may kiss the bride.
By the end of the night.